Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the phone and adapter so the connection works reliably. First, identify your port, Lightning or USB-C, because the adapter must match. Once done, use an Apple-certified adapter to avoid power and compatibility problems. Uncertified hubs often fail. Make sure your iPhone is unlocked and at least partly charged to supply power. When you plug the USB device in, tap Trust if prompted, because that authorizes data access between the iPhone and the peripheral. Once connected, proceed to configure the accessory so the iPhone can use it. Plug the USB device into the adapter, and if the device needs more current than the phone can supply, connect external power or a powered hub, otherwise the iPhone may not detect it. Next, open Files, Photos, or the specific app that supports the accessory type. iOS routes external drives into Files and cameras into Photos or Import. If nothing appears, make sure settings permissions for USB accessories and privacy are enabled so the system can mount the device. You finish by transferring data and safely disconnecting to avoid errors. Use the Files app to copy or move items, or Photos Import to bring pictures onto your iPhone. Watch progress and wait for completion before removing anything. Once done, close the app and wait a few seconds, then unplug the adapter to prevent file corruption. If problems persist, swap cables or adapters, test a powered hub for high-draw devices, update iOS, and restart the phone. Those steps resolve most recognition and power issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.